guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and savings. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. All right, and we should have, I believe it is $430 to stuff today, but let's go ahead and double check that. I do already have my money over here, so we're just gonna add it all up on the calculator. So I've got 150, and then we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. And then we've got 10, 20, 30, 40 in tens. And then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, these are sticking together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and that gives us 430. We'll move that to the side. Let's get into the bullet journal as always. We'll just scoochy that on over. All right, and we are just gonna start our way up top. Today we are stuffing for our weekly and monthly expenses, and we'll do the sinking funds on Friday. As always, we're gonna start off in my wallet. I need to go to the bank, don't mind that. All right, so we'll be stuffing my envelope today with $25, and I should have 66 in there already. So we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. So now we have a total of 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91 in my personal spending. And that's all that's gonna go in there. But let's make sure that we write down the $91. All right, and then on to the rest of our weekly spending money. First up is gonna be my husband. He does not currently have anything in there because I did transfer his spending money to his checking account in my last video for the cash unstuffing. So he's starting fresh, and then this will be the money that he gets in January. All right, so we've got $25 here for him. Next up is groceries. We should have 128 in there left over from last week because we only did small grocery trips. So I'm still gonna be adding the 150 to that because I'm gonna need to make a big trip here this week. So 150, let's see, I think we're gonna do mostly 20. So 20, 40, 50, help me count. What am I doing? All right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, so that's 140. And then we're gonna do a 5 and 5 ones. I think that's what I had figured out to do, so let's add that all in here. All right, and let's see what our total's at. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So $2.78 in groceries. Okay, next up is gas. We currently have $24 in gas, and we will be adding 50. And we'll be doing that with 2 20s, a 5, and 5 1s. All right, so now we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. $74 for gas. Next up is dining. We have $6 left over in dining, and we're going to be adding in 50. So again, I'm going to do 2 20s, a 5, and then 5 1s. So in dining, we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. We're getting better, y'all. Not overspending in dining. Just got to put your mind to it. I really wanted to overspend in that category last week, but stayed strong. Next up is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous currently has $12 in there, and we are just going to add a 10. So now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 in miscellaneous. That's it for this binder. Let me write that over here. And in that binder, we did stuff a total of $310 today. I did give up a few shifts at work this past week, so we are stuffing slightly lower than expected, but that's okay. We're gonna work with it. All right, next up is more of our monthly expense binder. We are not stuffing bills this month. We've got a decent cushion in that account, so it's not my priority right now. Jim is going to be getting $10. So now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 in Jim. Next up is health. Health is getting a little bit less than normal, but we do have $99 in there currently, and we're going to be putting in a 20. So now it has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 119 for health. And we did just get a lot of stuff. We use this for like workout stuff, and we did just get a lot of things during Black Friday, so won't need to spend too much out of that right now. Next up is going to be fun. Fun usually gets 20, but we're only going to do 10 this week. That'll be a straight $10 bill. We did have 61 in there, so we should have 71 now. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. And fun. I need some suggestions though. What should I use this for? What is a fun winter activity that me and my husband can go do? If you have any suggestions, please leave it down below for me because we need a date night. Next up is pet care, and that has nothing in it because I spoiled the pups this past week. But they will be getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. $30. All right, and last but not least, Debt Snowball. That has 50 in it, and it'll be getting another 50. So we've got a total of $100 in Debt Snowball for that extra payment for the end of the month. And that is it. All right, 50. And we did stuff a total of 120 into that binder today. And that's it. We're done. This is a short video. It's just been, like I said, my last one, it's been a little bit of a rough week for me. So I wanted to keep this video nice and to the point today. I hope y'all are having a great week, and I'll see you on Friday for my cash stuffing of my sinking funds. All right, see you then. Bye.